In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Notion. Buttons in Notion are a simple way to automate repeated actions and make your workspace more efficient. Instead of manually creating the same type of page or performing the same setup again and again, you can build a button that handles those actions for you with a single click. This is especially useful for things like task management, project templates, or quick navigation inside your workspace. To get started, open the Notion page where you want the button to live. In an empty space on the page, type /button. This will bring up the button block option. Select it to insert the button into your page. If you don't see it right away, make sure you are typing in a blank area where new blocks can be added. Once the button block appears, the next thing you'll do is give it a name. Choose something clear and specific, so it's easy to understand what the button does at a glance. For example, the label should reflect the action the button will perform. Right next to the name field, you'll also see the option to customize the icon or emoji. This is a nice visual touch that can help the button stand out and make your page feel more organized. Pick an icon that matches the purpose of the button so it's easy to recognize later. After that, it's time to add actions to the button. Click the option that says Add a Step, then choose the action you want the button to perform. Notion gives you several useful choices here, such as adding a page to a database, editing pages, showing a confirmation message, or opening a page. The action you choose will depend on what you want the button to automate. Take a moment to configure each action carefully so it behaves exactly the way you expect. One of the best parts of Notion buttons is that you can stack multiple actions into a single button. That means one click can trigger a sequence of tasks instead of just one. For example, a button can create a new task, assign it appropriately, and then open that page in a side peek so you can continue working without losing your place. This can save a lot of time and reduce repetitive setup. When everything looks right, click Done to save the button. Once it's saved, your button is ready to use. You can test it right away to make sure each action runs correctly. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the setup later. And that's how to create a button in Notion.